How's it going today, YouTube, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Today I got a quick little video on how to reset your oil change reminder light on your Chevy or GMC. Now, whether you did your own oil change and need to know how to reset this light, or the shop that did your oil change forgot to reset it, I'm going to show you how to do it. Anyway, here we go. Now, this method works for these older vehicles as well as some of the newer vehicles with a digital display. So what you need to do is have your ignition off, and you turn your key to the on position, and you press the accelerator pedal slowly all the way to the floor and release it 3 times within 5 seconds. What will happen is after you press the accelerator pedal down 3 times within 5 seconds, you'll see this light flash and then go out. So now sometimes you might have to try this once or twice. It doesn't always work the first try. So let's give her a shot. So turn the key to on. 1, 2, 3. And the light's flashing. And it's gone out. Start it up, the light's on, and it should go out. There we go. Now your oil life reset is done, and you're ready to go till your next oil change. I hope this video was helpful to you and you liked it. Just want to end my video by thanking one of my new subscribers, Gary Hewitt. Thanks for subscribing. Hit that like button and subscribe. I got more videos coming. Anyway, have a good night, everybody, and thanks for watching.